At the Vavda Group, we take a very customer-centric approach. Every detailing that we do, we take customer in the center of it. In fact, all our homes are very meticulously planned to ensure that safety, health and well-being of each or every resident and customers is being taken care of. As a philosophy, we strongly believe to invest in technology, innovation and of course looking at the practicality of the things. So we're talking about our project Vavda Pristine at Dadar Matunga Road, where we have brought these innovations and latest technology, not only to increase the convenience for our residents and clients, but to of course look at functionality of each and everything, so that there is an increased level of safety, there is a high level of security, a sense of well-being that we are trying to bring in, not only for a specific group age, I think along with our future generation, our children, our kids, our growing people. We have also taken care of our parents and grandparents. So all group ages are being taken into the ambit. And following in this video, our design head will speak more about the services, the functionality, the futuristic designs that we have tried bringing in the property, which you could really enjoy in coming 6 months to 1 year as you come here to stay.
In Vavda Pristine, we have associated with the world-renowned brand Fujitec from Japan for the elevators. So elevator is a very important element in the building because it ensures a smooth transition of people from ground floor to the respective floors, and it actually controls the vertical transportation in a building. So we have taken care of certain key important features from Fujitec. So just to quickly tell you a couple of key features. So first is the self-check of the operations, which ensures that if there is going to be any glitch in the future, there is an alarm which happens and the particular message goes to the headquarters and the problem is attended well in advance. With the eyesight of the recent pandemic, there is a feature which is called plasma cluster and ion generation, which helps to maintain the air purified within the cabin, within the lift cabin. The third is very important from the senior citizens' point of view, which times and controls the opening and the closing of the doors, because it has to be user friendly for the senior citizens and the old age people. And the most important one is the profiling of the client, which the elevator does over the period, and ensures that it is at a particular level in the peak hours, so that the movement time, the actual travel time gets optimized and indirectly helps the end user. In super tall structures which are going beyond 100 meters, the safety from the electrical services is something which is extremely critical, because electrical parts and the cables is such things which are prone to catch fire. So it's very important that a right design approach is adopted for these services. In Vavda Pristine, we have chosen to go ahead with busbar, which is also called as rising mains. It is basically, these are the aluminum ducts, and it ensures and resists the spread of the fire. Also, it helps that suppose there is a maintenance onto a particular floor, the entire power cut in the building did not happen, so that particular floor can be isolated and still the rest of the apartments can enjoy to have a continuous power. I think it is very important when it comes to the safety by using the bus bars. Services of a building is very important for the health of a building, and plumbing and drainage is something which needs to be taken care of properly, so that this health of the building remains good for a long time. In Vadhva Pristine, we have chosen a Swiss made, which is Geberit, which is actually a single stack system. So it ensures clean flow of the sewage and the soil material, and it's leak proof. So it's a very robust system, and which takes care of all your infra, which is coming all the way from top to the lowermost level. In multi-storied buildings, you all must have seen multiple level of car parks. Now there are different challenges when it comes to multiple level of car parks, because there will be vehicles going all the way up to 6, 7 floor. There is a lot of movement which is happening within the complex of these vehicles. So certainly it results into sound pollution, it results into pollution of the air, and it actually involves a lot of time, from the gate entry to the client reaching to the respective parking spot. In Vadhva Pristine, we have actually provided a tower which is 70 meter. It's an automated car park tower. So what you need to do is just leave your car at the lowermost level, and the system itself ensures that the car is taken up automatically and gets parked into the spot which is available. And with the use of a card, while the car can be easily called back. And so what we are achieving here is a less interval of time in which the car can be parked as well as the car can be retrieved. It really helps in terms of the easy movement of the traffic. At Vadhva Group, we are always very thoughtful of the amenities which we provide, because in a community living, there's always an age group which is there. There are toddlers, there are kids, and then there are teenagers, elderlies, and then there are senior citizens and the old age people. What we have done in Vadhva Pristine, that at the terrace level there are two halves of the terrace which we have, which allows us the opportunity to create the amenities. So on the one half we have kept party area and the barbecue zone, where the teenagers, the elderlies can come enjoy their day or the evening hours. And the other half is something where we have tried to club the senior citizens and the kids area, because that is something always goes hand in hand. I think the senior citizens and the old age people, we really need to ensure that their health is taken care of. So even the amenities which we have conceived and created at the terrace level for this particular age group is there are spaces like hot and cold dip pool for the foot therapy, which enhances the blood circulation. Also there are outdoor gym equipments which are being provided, which are specifically meant for senior citizens. They always have issues of shoulder pain, knee pain. So accordingly, very thoughtfully, we have catered to this particular aspect of design. And next to this senior citizens area, there is also a small area which we have created for the toddlers with some sort of equipments. So I think it is very important that the different age groups are taken care of in the design. And that's how we stand different when it comes to the projects of the Vadhva Group.